This is street news, man. Look at this. This is Kent, man. The other side of London town, man. It's a biker world, right? For bike lovers out there, look at this. I bet you like this. Look at this. This is street news, man. I love this. This is gorgeous, man. Look at this. This is gorgeous, man. But you know what? Look at this one. I like this. Look at this. Beautiful bike, man. Look at this. This is street news, man. I'm not allowed to film in there, but they got bikes everywhere, man. Wow. This is beautiful, man. This is beautiful. I don't know if I'm allowed to film here. This is just nice. Hello, sir. How you doing today? I'm just filming. I like bikes, man.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Yeah, we all like motorbikes.
Wow, look at this.
Yeah, just have a look around, mate. Got plenty here, that's for sure.
Wow. This is street news, ladies and gentlemen. This is Chatham, Luton Road. If you want to buy a bike, this is the best place. What's your address here?
74 to 76 Luton Road. We're at MotorBike.
Right, did you hear that? My accent is a bit cocky. Can you see that again, please?
That's MotorBike on Luton Road in Chatham.
Chatham. Wow, look at that. Thank you very much. Street news on my next video. You know what it is.
Have yourself a look around the back as well. We've got downstairs. Feel free, mate.
Oh, you got downstairs. Okay, let's go downstairs.
Got loads of little goodies tucked away everywhere.
Yeah.
Look around.
Wow, downstairs. What? They buy